Hello everyone, my name is Zee and I'm on an FLO Robotics team. I've been on FLO Robotics from 2019 to 2021. From my time, I've decided to become familiar with EV3 Python, a coding language for your LEGO EV3 robot using a Python software. If you're all watching, I'm assuming that you are familiar with LEGO's EV3 LEGO mindstorm programming drag and drop software. In the next few videos, I will be teaching how to set up and code with the EV3 Python, which is more advanced than drag and drop. EV3 Python is familiar to what an actual professional worker in the coding profession would use. Just in case you are wondering, I have gotten my information online through research and online courses. And so now to be able to do Python coding, you will need the following things. A Windows 10 or macOS computer, basically anything that provides Visual Studio Code. A microSD card. You'll need a card with a minimum capacity of 4 gigabytes and a maximum capacity of 32 gigabytes, so anything in between that. A microSD card slot or card reader in your computer, and if your computer does not have a microSD card slot, you can use an external USB microSD card reader, so something that can adapt. And you also need a mini USB cable like the one provided with your EV3 set, so anything that can connect the robot to the computer. In every description of my videos, I will provide a script, the description of code, and any other materials. And also the script is like the script for every single video that I've made currently during the time of this video. These videos are meant for people who want to program with a more powerful, more standard programming language than the standard LEGO one, sometimes called EV3G. And also a side note, I'm pretty sure next year after the time of this video, it might change the standard LEGO software, but at the current time, it's EV3. And actually, the standard LEGO programming language currently is just a set of icons that you configure and connect together, which is very different to the textual programming languages used by professional programmers. In these videos, you will learn how to program the EV3 with the Python programming language, the most taught textual programming language in the world. Last note, I do not recommend using Python coding for robot games and FOL for competitions. You will see why in later videos. However, you can still use this as a wow factor for robot design or RDS in the competitions, like how I'm doing this year. I'm actually using these videos for my robot design. So yeah, you can use Python for that. And like I said, I will explain why you can't use Python in later videos. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more on our 2020 to 2021 FLL season, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck on your Python journey.